Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to run seasonal discounts with Shopify automation. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to run seasonal discounts with Shopify automations, all you gotta do is simply go to the discount section in your Shopify admin. So once you're here, you can simply tap on the create discount option. So after you tap on it, you can find like different discount types like amount off products, buy X get Y, amount off order, or free shipping. So you can choose any of it, and now you can go and tap on automatic discount. Once you tap on automatic discount, you can simply type in the discount value and tap on specific products or specific collection, and you can add different products here. So by following this method, you can select different kind of eligibility category, minimum purchase requirements, combinations, and activation date. After you have done this, you can run seasonal discounts with Shopify automations. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. So please do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our next interesting and updating videos like this.